Alrighty, tubes. We got the Barney out here. I made a little cart for him just to get him running, just to put him up and test him out. My buddy Mike came. Hey, Mike. Say hey to tubes. You heard word through the grapevine that we're going to try and start this, so I'm going to give him the honors. I might have to put my foot on it so you don't tip it over.
Yeah.
Alright, see if you can start it, Mike.
Let's see where she's going to be happy to start at.
Let's hope for the best, man.
Yeah.
Sounded good.
Let's try that.
Oh, there you go. Started alright. I mean, it didn't start at first kick, but you can't expect it. Starting to rain. Huh. Yeah. Put a tachometer on it. Let me see what it does. See where we're at here. What does it say, Mike?
Oh, about 16, 1700.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 16, 16 and a half. See if you slow down just a little bit. There you go. Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Slow down a little more, Mike.
A little more?
Yeah. There you go, that sounds good. That's running a little low. Looks like running a little rich, right?
Yeah.
Sounds pretty good though. It's a good runner. It is, man. New owner should be proud of that. Alright, all we gotta do is box it up and send it away now. There you go, tubes. That's the end of your series. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the comments and the views. Alrighty, we'll see you on the next project. Say goodbye, Mike. Mike's always fun to have around. Alright, tubes. Talk to you later.